As a working mom, laundry can easily get out of control, so today I'm sharing my favorite laundry tips and products I know you'll love. My biggest tip is to tackle laundry in the morning to get it out of the way before life gets busy. I'll be using Paperbird's lavender scented laundry detergent. Paperbird is exclusively sold at ShopRite and a ShopRite household brand that has high quality and affordable items that my family can rely on. I've always wanted to make reusable dryer sponges, so I'm taking a small plastic bin and filling it up with Paperbird's free and clear fabric softener. Then cutting their large utility sponges in half and letting that soak in the softener for about 10 minutes. If you are not interested in making your own dryer sponges, Paperbird does have their own disposable dryer sheets in different scents that can be purchased as well. While that soaks, I'm going to start unfolding a load of laundry. Most people struggle with folding and putting clothes away, so if that is the case for you, try doing smaller loads so you don't feel overwhelmed. I personally like to fold my clothes using the file folding method. Lay your shirt down with the back side facing up. Fold both sides towards the middle, then fold it in half and fold it in half again. This method works on bottoms as well. However, you want to fold the pant in half long ways, fold it in thirds, and then fold it in half. This is going to allow you to store your clothes vertically in your drawers, making it easier to see what you have and reduce the chances of clutter. The load we threw in earlier is ready to dry, so I'm taking one of our reusable dryer sponges, squeezing out the excess, and then throwing that into the dryer. It's finally the last load of laundry that needs to be folded. Here is an easy hack that I have been using since my daughter was an infant. For any clothes that comes in a set that is also stored in a drawer or bin, take the shirt and lay it face side down, folding the sides towards the middle, just like the file folding method. However, you are then going to take the bottoms and lay that on top and roll the two pieces together. This will make getting your kids dressed in the morning or at night so much faster and easier. Pick up your Paperbird household products today at your local ShopRite.